Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register and sign up for a new account on the Shein app. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't installed the Shein app already, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and then search for the Shein application. Once you find the app, tap on the install button, and when the installation is done, you can tap on open to open up the app. Once the application has been opened, you will be asked to log in directly. If you don't see the login section, you can tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on sign in/register. You now have the option to enter your phone number or your email address to continue your sign up. You can simply type in your preferred email address or your phone number and then tap on the continue button. You can also tap on continue with Google or the continue with Facebook option in order to continue signing up with your Google or Facebook account. Once you tap on continue, you will be asked to enter your preferred password. After typing in your desired password, tap on the sign up button, and now you will also be asked to add a phone number. You can skip this if you wish by tapping on the skip button, or you can enter your phone number within the phone number section and then enter your verification code once you receive it. Once your registration has been successful, you can tap on the Go Shopping option, and you can now directly start shopping using the Shein app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and register for a new account on the Shein application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.